After months of thrilling competition, the journey of the greatest musical battle of Tipra comes down to this moment. Meet the 5 finalists of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 2. Ashmika Debarma, Ananta Jamatia, Nafuti Jamatia, Plung's Mighty Rian, and Dinesh Jamatia. Witness the passion, the talents, and the energy live. Join us for the grand finale on the 19th of April 2025 at Motherstand Ground, Kumulin. The greatest battle of music begins at 5 p.m. onwards. Don't miss the most anticipated event of the year. Be there and experience the magic.